In 2019, American entrepreneur Kevin Czinger founded Czinger Vehicles, driven by an unyielding passion for innovation and design. A graduate of Yale University, Czinger's fascination with jet planes ignited the creation of this visionary hypercar. Drawing inspiration from Lockheed Skunk Works, renowned for crafting cutting-edge military aircraft like the iconic SR-71 Blackbird spy plane, Czinger assembled a team committed to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Debuting in March 2020 during a momentous event streamed globally from London, the 21C marked Czinger's maiden venture into automotive excellence. This $2 million hybrid hypercar embodying Formula One technology is a masterpiece limited to just 20 units. Its arresting design, characterized by dramatic flowing curves, a commanding front splitter, and an imposing rear wing, conjures an impression akin to a celestial spacecraft soaring from an extraterrestrial realm. The future of automotive innovation. Czinger Vehicles is pioneering a groundbreaking shift in the automotive landscape. Their revolutionary design and manufacturing approaches are redefining the benchmarks for high-performance vehicles. The 21C signifies just the initial step in an exhilarating journey for the brand, promising an exciting evolution yet to unfold. Design, a blend of functionality and elegance. The 21C might surprise you with its understated appearance despite being slightly wider than a Bugatti Chiron. Its sleek curves and rounded edges give off an air of sophistication, steering away from the typical shock and awe approach seen in other hypercars. Inside, the 21C takes a different route with its one-to-one steering arrangement. It's not just for looks, it's designed to reduce wind resistance and enhance downforce, all while ensuring a comfortable and engaging experience for both driver and passenger. While the current model may look similar to its original design, it underwent significant changes, widening and receiving upgraded frames and suspension within a short period. This agility and adaptation is a testament to the rapid development process, which enabled the creation of the 21C in a fraction of the usual time. How is it done? Czinger revolutionizes vehicle production with the 21C, ditching the usual assembly lines and tooling of traditional manufacturing. They introduce an advanced human-AI production system called DAPS, Divergent Adaptive Production System. This in-house technology blends automated design tools, groundbreaking 3D printing methods, precise automated assembly, and top-notch materials. DAPS converts specs into printed parts, offering lightweight, robust, and cost-efficient components. It accelerates production and allows flexible, on-demand manufacturing, all handled in one place by robots, breaking away from the standard assembly line setup. Engine. At the heart of the 21C resides a twin-turbocharged 2.88-liter V8 engine meticulously crafted in-house, boasting an impressive redline of 11,000 RPM and delivering a formidable 937 bhp. Complementing this powerhouse are two electric motors installed on the front axle, collectively producing an additional 296 bhp, culminating in a staggering 1,233 bhp output. Factor in the all-wheel drive and torque vectoring, and you're in for an exhilarating ride. Yet, the 21C isn't merely about raw might. It harmoniously combines an ultra-lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber chassis with numerous AI-designed and 3D-printed components, ensuring a svelte total weight of 1,250 kilograms and achieving the elusive 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. Performance. The culmination of this engineering marvel, a lightning-fast 0 to 60 mph sprint in a mere 1.9 seconds, conquering 0 to 186 mph in just 13.8 seconds. According to Czinger, with persistent acceleration, you can experience the adrenaline rush at a thrilling 205 mph, speaking specifically about the track-focused version. And if the standard 1,233 bhp doesn't quench your thirst for power, Czinger offers an enhanced power output of 1,333 bhp, promising an even swifter 0 to 62 mph acceleration. Moreover, Czinger proudly claims an electric driving range of up to 12 miles, courtesy of the 21C's regenerative braking and a motor generator unit effectively recharging its 2.8 kWh battery. For eco-conscious enthusiasts, the monstrous V8 engine can also run on eco-friendly carbon-neutral biomethanol fuel, showcasing a blend of power and environmental responsibility. Upcoming models and lifespan of Czinger 21C. The 21C's incredible journey is almost at an end with just 80 units slated for production, But fear not, as Czinger already has new models in the pipeline. The next one is the Hyper GT, featuring a 4-seat configuration and a fascinating gull-wing design. This model will use the same powerful engine as the 21C, but the exact performance figures are yet to be revealed. Furthermore, Czinger hints at an upcoming electric vehicle, although details and timelines remain undisclosed. They've also been collaborating with various car brands to explore the potential of their revolutionary manufacturing system, but specifics about these partnerships are kept confidential. The innovative strides made by Czinger and their technology are awe-inspiring, igniting curiosity about their future ventures. Numbers game. Always judge cars by the numbers: acceleration speed, top speed, downforce, lap times, production count, and of course, the engine power. The Czinger 21C boasts a massive 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine generating 950 bhp, backed by a Formula One hybrid system. It's adaptable to various fuel types, offering different power outputs. Coupled with the hybrid's extra 100 bhp to the rear wheels and the front-wheel electric motors, the total output skyrockets to 1,233 bhp. Paired with a weight of 1,240 kilos, the performance is astonishing. Czinger claims the 21C can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds and achieve a top speed of around 281 miles per hour or over 450 kilometers per hour. Impressively, it also set a lap record at Laguna Seca Circuit, beating the McLaren Senna by 2 seconds. With only 80 units planned, priced at USD $2 million each, and delivery set for 2023, the Czinger 21C embodies the true essence of a hypercar. Thanks for watching. We value your support. Subscribe for future car reviews and share your thoughts in the comments.